Hi guys, for today's teardown, guess what? Yes, one more big aircraft instrument. We have a Sperry, apparently gyro compass indicator thing. So on the front we have regular aircraft compass dial. This will move the set heading indicator. This I am not sure what it does, and here we have some kind of a light sensor for backlight probably. So the case is quite big, 20 centimeters deep. On the back we have this big connector with golden pins with incredibly thick O-ring. And the weird way to close the case, you can see there is this kind of a threaded washer here, which is secured with a lock wire. And apparently you have to turn it and also remove the sticky tape here. And yes, it is sealed still, so we will discover together what there is inside. First, about the informations. So we have a Sperry product support label, seems from 1977. It was repaired and modified. We have a broad arrow from the British Air Force. We have, this might be the manufacturing date, modification record, and the tag with CL6 indicator made by the Sperry Gyroscope Company in England, and a nice Sperry sticker here with handwritten information. Panel mounting screws have united threads, so it means the thread here and here is the same one, and it will act like a retainer, not this. Okay, so now time to open it. I will first undo this sticky tape. Yes, so actually maybe it is, yes, dual layer of tape. As you can see, we have a black, very thin plastic tape, and we have what seems to be some aluminium foil tape. It is not a big deal because I have both in stock, so I will be able to replace it. So let me try to unglue it properly. Okay, it is coming off pretty well. I will clean this before I reinstall the tape. Remove any remaining adhesive on this. Okay, so this side is done, and now time to break the security wire here, safety wire. Like it is stainless wire, so really hard to cut actually, like so. And this big nut should come off if I just unscrew this. Yes, it looks like it will turn like so. Oops. Little bit of where to close an aircraft instrument. Okay, let me deal with it and we'll be right back. Okay, actually this was not too bad. We have one more O-ring here. Here is what the piece looks like, nothing special. And we have this. So, are you ready? We will discover together the contents of this instrument. I hope we will have a pretty gyroscope. It seems like not only a whole bunch of synchro transmitters and receivers. This is actually pretty dirty. Not sure what is going on here. The case seems to be made of one block of aluminium with a very thick backpiece, probably welded at this level here. So I think it deserves a little bit of brush action, because really there is some kind of black powder everywhere. Okay, it is already a little bit better. So what do we have? I will zoom. So back connector here with terminals, a lot of terminals actually. It looks like, yes, look at this here, and do not know how easy it will be to see, but we have a flat flex circuit to the printed circuit to the between this connector and these terminals. Maybe, yes, you can see it here at the bottom. Quite unusual. Then we have a few capacitors here for synchro transmitter. Well, at least two big devices here, which are synchro transmitters by the famous Clifton company. Three of them on one smaller device, it seems. Some wires here going to the other side with this Teflon insulator tape over them for some reason. In the middle here a whole bunch of gears, and this section has more synchro rate tachometer with nice schematic over it. Control transformer, this one here, this, on one more device with a, seems it is a stainless case, this one, not an aluminum case. And a last one here, the synchro receiver. So it is really a very complicated device, but no gyroscope in it, sadly. So on the control transformer you can see here we have rotary contacts on the shaft. It seems interesting. This is the motor, galvanometer motor, to the little power off flag that will show the pilot if the device is not powered. Actually we have two of them. There is another one here. It is this. You can have a white dot flipping in the way or not. Not sure what it is for. Few resistors, winded coil resistor here. Okay, some more mechanical stuff here. Look at this, it is quite nice. Reversing gear here. Quite interesting. So this is turning this device, and it is turning this indicator here. So this device is most probably a receiver thing. Yes, it is a transmitter. So it will transmit the information, its angular information. Okay, and quite a lot of blank unused space here. And in here we have most probably, yes, backlight. I see 2 wires going here. And it is all okay. So nice device. Sadly, I was expecting a gyroscope, but not. It was not expensive. It was 10 euros on British eBay from the regular British aircraft parts dealer. So not too bad, because actually this device can be found at a lot more expensive prices. It was quite a dig, this one, because usually they are much more expensive. And still a very nice set of devices inside. No electronics, sadly, and no gyroscope, so it is not the best instrument you can get, but still quite interesting. So thanks for watching, bye bye.